Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how this actually saves so much space when you're traveling. So this is a compression bag. I didn't think that I'd care about it that much until you actually use this, because basically you pack your clothes in it, you roll the air out, there's no pump needed. That's the highlight of this product. And it's going to compress everything down, which is perfect when your suitcase starts getting tight. We all know that moment because we've all at one point in our lives have sat on a suitcase trying to get it to close. Those days are over. For this one, you don't need a pump. You just roll it and go. So you just roll this and go. You can keep dirty or wet clothes separate from clean ones. This is waterproof, so no smells or stuff leaking onto everything else. You're not going to have a Ross shampoo explosion kind of mess situation going on. And this surprisingly holds a lot for the size. This is one of those things you don't realize you need until your suitcase is overflowing or you're trying to keep sweaty, dirty clothes away from everything else. We were sent this to test out, and this is fabulous for travelers who travel a lot and you're trying to save space in carry-ons or suitcases, or families, especially with kids, because that's going to mean a lot of outfit changes. Gym goers, because this is perfect for sweaty clothes. Camping or outdoor trips, because, well, you know. And then, of course, the beach and lake days, because you've got wet swimsuits and towels. I mean, this thing is perfect for pretty much anyone, and it's so easy to do. Look how much space this would have saved inside of a suitcase. I mean, I'm going to pull these back out here and show you just how big these puff right back up.